Hey guys, it's Alyssa here at the DanceWear Corner Superstore, and today I want to talk to you about sewing kits. I want to talk about specifically the difference between regular sewing kits versus point shoe sewing kits. Not all sewing kits are made the same. Most that you would find in a typical store are going to be general sewing. They're going to be used for general use. Dance brands actually created stitch kits, and these should have everything you'll need for point shoes. Here's a couple things to look for when you are looking for the right sewing kit for your point shoes. Making sure that you have thick enough needles. Using a thick enough needle is going to be very important as the material of your point shoe is quite thick. You want to make sure that you have a thick enough needle that's going to go through ribbon, elastic, and the point shoe material. Something else that is really important in your stitch kit is going to be the color of your thread. Not all threads are created equal. Making sure you have the right color and the right type of thickness of thread will keep your ribbon and elastic secure to your shoe, and the thread should just blend right into the color of your point shoe. The last but most important reason is making sure that your stitch kit is small enough to where you can travel or in case you need it for emergencies. This is going to be great if maybe your ribbon or elastic snaps off and you're in the middle of rehearsal or class, or maybe you're getting ready for a performance. You'll just grab your kit right out of your bag and you're able to sew it up real quick. That way you can get back to focusing on your technique and your rehearsal time. When you're buying a stitch kit, you'll know that it comes with everything that you're going to need for your point shoes, making it more convenient and affordable for our dancers. It comes with enough thread to use multiple times, and usually comes with multiple needles thick enough to go through your point shoes. Here at DanceWear Corner, we have all different types of stitch kits that will go with whatever brand of point shoe that you have. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you got some new insight to what sewing kit is best for you. As always, you can reach out to us if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.